Some people are really wanted here. Some people that were needed here. You're all welcome.
Sorry for that. Ek is nervous.
For once, it's not my fault.
Ek is nervous. Ek kan nie help nie. Elke dag was ons met die pres staan nie. Here we go.
Thank you, sir. I don't think I need to tell you why we are here. You know, Buddha Umar, it's very symbolic that he uses the words of our ancestors. The words that are written out of history. Simple words. It says, Atua Tamachamski. We all know Amantla, but we've been denied our own history, our own language, our own culture. People speak on this country in terms of only apartheid. Apartheid lasted less than 50 years. Colonialism, that lasted 300 years. The sufferers of colonialism were our forefathers. In terms of land disposition, in terms of slavery, in terms of the eradication of an entire culture, entire language. Our history has been whitewashed. But nobody speaks of this. They didn't only take our land. They took our language. Vir die van ons wat dit weet, Afrikaans behoort nie aan die boere nie. Daai taal, hy was gedevelop hier op die strand by an extraordinary man that hy call Harry die strandloper. Nou, ek kom van die mees verkrampste plek in die land. Meer verkramp dan Oranje, Kaapstad. En in die Kaap, as kinders, was ons geleer, as jy van die woesta was jy 'n boejong. En as jy van Grabouw was jy 'n plaas Zapie. En as jy stylkoppie is, dan associate jy nie met die kruiskoppe nie. En as jy lig van kleur is, jy bitter aan die donker van kleur. That was our education. I had teachers like Mr. Darcy, who would speak to us about Ka, die Ka